Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you bank very good profit. Let me share with you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. And if you want to watch those analyses live real time, so most welcome to join my fast growing trading community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. You look at the EURUSD as mentioned yesterday, we were long. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So we were long. So today, as mentioned, my trader, as long as the price stay above this level, we are still looking a long trade here. So we have taken a long trade here this morning. We have this breakout, beautiful, and the New York session we also had some pullback long trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries and intraday. As you can see here, this London morning session, just before the London open, that's what we did analysis here. You can see here, as explained in this analysis, if the price gonna break this low, then we're looking at short, otherwise long trade here. As you can see here, beautiful long trade here. Price nicely hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pips. After banking some profit, as you can see here, price developed a double top here, and that's what basically counter trade here opportunity. We have this small counter trade, but we managed few pp's on the counter. But at the New York session, as you can see here, price developed a bullish flag pattern. That was a pretty straightforward. As soon as the price broke them, and explained to my trader, as long as the price respect this level, just keep taking a pullback. So we have taken one, bank few pp's, then another pullback, few pp's, another round, few pp's. So we just keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bullish or bias was bullish. As you can see here, we had such a nice beautiful few trades on EURUSD. Pound dollar, we had such an amazing trade guys at the London morning session. As you can see, yesterday we had this beautiful trade here, so we were waiting today's PMI news. As you can see here, the price respected the previous side, developed a double top here, and as explained to matter, if the price gonna break, then we're gonna be taking a short trade here. So that's basically just before the news. We have taken a long trade here, bank few pp's, and afterwards we have taken a short trade here, bank amazing profit at the New York session. As explained, if the price gonna break above this level, then we're gonna be taking a long trade here. So we have taken long, short, and long. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries in intraday. As you can see here, just before London open, we did live analysis, explained to material, look for this breakout, pretty straightforward like a EURUSD. We have this breakout, only few short trade here because we're waiting for the news to be released. And as you can see here, price developer consolidation. That's what I explained to my trader. Look here, the price developer false breakout, and let's see if the price gonna break. Then I did this analysis, if the price gonna break this level, then short trade here, and otherwise long here. So we're waiting some news. The data was negative for the cable. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, and after the breakout, another pullback here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, as you can see here, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had a nice amazing trade this morning on pound dollar. And at the New York session, as you can see here, price developed at the support level. As you can see here in 4-hour double bottom, and pretty straightforward. If the price gonna break, just keep taking a long trade here and then keep taking a pullback. So as you can see here, that's what exactly we have this trade here. Afterwards, all these trades been announced through live video commentary. We have pullback and another pullback. As you can see here, such a beautiful long trade here or reversal, and bank amazing profit on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we had an amazing trade at the New York session. If you look at the dollar CAD 4-hour chart, we were expecting this one and expecting this breakout. So we had this breakout at the New York session, bank amazing profit as soon as the price hit to the previous high. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. And at the London morning session opening, as you can see here, we had this beautiful breakout. After this breakout, price nicely developed another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, bank some profit, and let's wait for the news. As you can see here, afterwards, price developed another pattern here, and in 4-hour we can see here price repeatedly respected the support level and 200 EMA on 4-hour. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. As you can see here, momentum was bullish. As soon as the price shoot up and hit to the previous high in 4-hour, That's what explain my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we refine entries and exit in intraday system and banking profit every single day. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time, banking profit in real time. And the most important thing is, if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill live with the live market in real time. Once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded if you are interested how I coach and train my trader every single day. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. I have a very limited place, and if you're interested, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.